The condenser vacuum pump is an equipment to prevent corrosion of the system's inner pipe by suppressing the heat conduction of the tube inside the condenser, which is done by keeping a vacuum at a high level and continuously removing the non-condensable gas inside the condenser. The condenser vacuum pump system consists of the separator, seal water cooler, vacuum pump, and motor. The gland seal water, which is separated from the separator tank, flows into the seal water cooler and cools down by heat exchange of the circulation water, which comes from circulation water pump. The gland seal water, which is cooled, flows into the covers of the coupling and the end. The right amount of seal water is filled inside the cylindrical casing, and the multi-blade impeller is located at the biased position. The impeller spins at the speed of 495 RPM, and the seal water becomes the form of liquid ring because of the centrifugal force. The liquid ring, which is caused by the circulation of the impeller, causes the capacity differentiation between the impeller and the inner wall because the impeller is located at the bias position inside the casing. This lets the air and gas from the system suction into the inside by making vacuum with the pressure reduce caused by capacity increase of the impeller cell of the inlet port. The air being emitted at the first stage goes into the second stage suction through the interstage crossover and emits to the separator tank by the same process at the first stage. The mixture of air, gas, and liquid sent in the separator tank gets separated to emit the air and gas and recirculates the seal water.